it's Dr. C, and today we will be going through word problems and probability. I'm looking over these questions, so we're just going to start with A. It says find the probability that the customer's purchasing method was a cash purchase or the customer spent $50 or more. So keep in mind when we say the term or, we're using the addition rule. So the probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. So this is what we use when we essentially have two events that are not mutually exclusive. So in this case, we have the probability of A, which was cash purchase. So that would be 47 out of 75 plus the probability of customers spend $50 or more. That's 23 out of 75 minus the overlap of both, which is cash purchase and $50 or more, which is 9 out of 75. You put that together. Minus 9, that is 61 out of 75. Okay. B, it says find the probability that the customer's purchasing method was cash purchased and the customer spent $50 or more. So, and we're just looking for the overlap. So, cash purchase and that's just going to be probability of A and B, essentially. 9 out of 75. Whenever you have a chart like this, you just look for the overlap. Okay. C, find the probability that the customer's purchasing method was a cash purchase given they spent $50 or more. So probability of A given B equals the probability of A and B over the probability of B. So this is a conditional probability formula, right? So whenever we're looking at this, whatever is the given after the givens formula, that's what you're going to use as your denominator. So in this case, it says given they spend $50 or more. So that means that we essentially are looking here. So out of the 50 or more, which would be 23, it says how many use cash. So that's 9 out of 23. Okay. For D, it says find the probability that the customer spent less than $50. So essentially, we're looking at probability of less than 50. So if we look at our groups, we have less than $10, and then between 10 and 49 and 50 or more. So pretty much that's everything outside of this. So essentially, you could have done 1 minus 23 over 75. We put that together. Um, that would be 52 out of 75. Okay. And then finally, E, what percent of cash purchases were 150 or more? Um, what percent of cash purchases were 50 or more? So again, you essentially would do the what percent of cash purchases were 50 or more? So this is 9 out of 47. So if you get the percentage of this, 9 divided by 47 equals 0.1915. If I made that into a percentage, that essentially would be about 19.15%. 15%. Okay. I always advise that you square your answers, your final answers rather. So hopefully this video made sense and you found this to be helpful. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. All right. Take care.